Hello everyone. So today I am going to demonstrate my project which is based on movie recommendation system by using heuristic score and priority queue. So firstly, let us understand what is movie recommendation system. So a movie recommendation system is an intelligent application that assists user in discovering new movies tailored to their individual taste and past preferences. By analyzing a user's past interaction, such as movie rating, viewing history, and explicit feedback, these systems generate personalized recommendation. Using advanced algorithms like content-based filtering, priority-based algorithm, recommendation systems predict which movies a user is likely to enjoy. So now let us go into the coding part. So this is the main file where our movie recommendation system code is there. So firstly, we have imported the libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib and Flask. NumPy is for numerical computing, Pandas is for data manipulation and visualization, Matplotlib is for plotting, and Flask is for building web applications in Python. So in the second step, we are loading the CSV files. I have took the dataset from Kaggle. So the next is merging the dataset on the ID value. So here we are merging the movies and the credits data frame on the ID column from movies and movie ID. The resulting data frame is assigned to the merge df parameter here. So next we are doing data cleaning. Data cleaning simply means that we are dropping the duplicate values. The drop duplicate function is used for this. It drops rows with any missing values, modifying the data frame in the place only. So here, normalizing numerical feature simply means that we are applying lambda function to the column in the data frame to normalize the values. The lambda function calculates normalized values using minimum maximum normalization rule. So in the above all sets, all the steps, we have done data processing. Therefore, our data does not have any null values and it is pre-processed. Now let us start with the main execution. The first one is the feature extraction. Where we are extracting the features like tables, titles, ticks, grid lines, etc. So by this we have actor, director, cast and crew. So next one. So we are displaying, we get this graph, we get this plot by the matplotlib Seaborn library. So here I have displayed the top 10 movies. So this is the code for displaying the top 10 high budget movies. I have used different colors for understanding. So we have 5,000 movies. So based on 5,000 movies, they are of different genres. Therefore, this is the different genres pie chart. The conda install pandas is this command will install pandas version 1.3.3. So now here we are seeing the correlation matrix. So let us first understand what is correlation matrix. A correlation matrix is a table showing correlation coefficient variables. Each cell in the table represents the correlation between two variables. Like we can see the correlation between romance and budget. What was the budget for that movie? Drama, like drama, and we can see for popularity also. Therefore, I have done the correlation between the features as well as the budget and according to which genre it depends. So here I have applied an example usage for priority queue, like to understand if the code will generate the assumed output. The priority queue sorts all the elements by the heuristic score. So now in this code, we are firstly loading the movie data. Then we are calculating the genre similarity. It simply means to compute the similarity between two lists of movie genres. After that, we are calculating the heuristic function. It defines a heuristic function to compute the similarity score between a movie and user preference. After that, we are after that we have initialized priority queue. We initialize priority queue with movies sorted by their heuristic score. By this only we get the output at the last. This is the code for priority queue. After that, we are retrieving the rating of 10 best rated movies. So this is the code. This is the code for which we have 10 best rated movies. Here we are calculating the movie's budget, genres, homepage, ID, etc. This is only for knowing if the code is running properly or not. Here, this Python script defines a function calculate heuristic movie ID that calculates the heuristic score for a given movie ID using a heuristic function. When a user visits the root URL, Flask will render the HTML template named event.js. I have created a file which is event.js. In that, half our front end is done. So now let us go to event.js file. So the JavaScript code, this JavaScript code does the following things. It listens to the clicks on the elements with movie cards. When it triggers H1, it redirects the user to a specific movie page. Like if we put comedy, it will display the comedy movies. Then the second is it listens for input events on the search input field. When the user types in the search input, it retrieves recommendation based on entered genre and updates the displayed movies accordingly. So for this only we have written this code in JavaScript. After that we have style.css to give our web page a style. So we have used various attributes like background color, text decoration, display. We have used for H1 that is title bar, navigation bar, and here we have declared the parameters like for which we are displaying like Hindi movies, Hollywood movies, top 10 movies, etc. Now let us see the output. So this is how our web page will look like. Hollywood movies, Hindi movies, etc. So now if we write comedy here, the heuristic score of the movies will be calculated and the priority queue will display the best of 5 of them. So here we have the comedy movies. Like this, if we type romance genre, sorry, romance, we will see the best of 5 movies. More example is horror movies. We can see horror movies, action movies, and one more example is drama. So therefore, we have different genres, and by using the heuristic score and priority queue, we have displayed the best five of them from the 5000 movies dataset. Thank you.